What's up everybody, it's your boy Mini Trades back with another YouTube video, and today I'm going to be going over how I made $30,000 today in the stock market. Let's get right into it. So the first play that we had today was HLBZ. We started accumulating right around here at 190s area, right under 2, so 199 for around 20 minutes. Just sized into around 50k shares at some point. I was going long here, nice pop there. Didn't scale any off, but was looking for a bigger run into open, and now we did get a dip into open, but how could you know that, this is a dip to hold, that this is a bullish dip? So right at this dip, the bottom was 188 and the high for yesterday was 188, and the pre-market dip levels were also 188. So now I have this line drawn out from yesterday. This was major resistance, right? Now it's going to act as support, bounced perfectly and had a great run from there. Now going to the smaller time frame, like that 1 minute, we had a high over here, rejection over here, and also rejection coming over into open. Now once we broke that and retested it right on this candle, we had a beautiful run up to 2.4 almost. So that was a nice one. Had around 60k shares going long right into open on this dip. Got a little bit more. You could have played this dip again, which I did as well on HLBZ. I was looking over here for this 188 bounce, the same level that we had, and it worked out perfectly from 188 to 211, and that was a great one as well. Another one we had today was into open APDN. All right, so APDN right into open, they had a $8 price target update, so we were scalping it from around 5.4 and then 5.24, and then we hit 5.7 into pre-market, so that was a good one. And then into open, I said I was going long around over here, started accumulating on some dips, and then I mentioned again that this and APDN and HLBZ were those were my top two plays. And this one eventually ended up going to 580, and I secured around 12 grand on that today. So that was a solid one. How did I know this was going to go? You could see that, we had that price target update, so we had a very nice run. We also came down, accumulated, and established some nice support, right? So we weren't completely dumping, we were just consolidating kind of. And into open, we saw a little run up, so I like that. And then the chart was also setting up very nicely. Another one was VRNA. And pre-market started calling that out at 11.25, so this one worked out perfectly. You can see the breakout right here. Started accumulating around 11.25. Love this play. You could see that we were kind of trading in this range at some point, so we were bouncing from here, rejecting here, bouncing from here. After we got that big pop, we were trying to make a curl. I started slapping around, I had like 12k shares over here, and then rode the wave up here. Another way you could have played this is play this downtrend breakout. You could have played that downtrend breakout almost, where you see a rejection multiple times. High here, rejection, rejection, rejection. Some solid support was built right here, so we held here. All of this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and then we broke out from here. So 1270 break led us to around 15, almost 15 plus. Into open, I tried to play the 12.3 bounce, which was pre-market support. It was actually this bounce right here. 12.3, we saw a double bottom, so I scalped it once over here, and then I tried to go long again because we were holding it. I wanted to see a breakout over 13, and then potentially go back to 15 plus. I got knifed on that. I almost ended like $500 red on this trade, but overall it was a good risk to reward ratio and worked out. You could have played this line as well on VRNA for a big bounce from 1173 to 12 plus, where we have this line drawn out, and then you could see the rejection of our resistance line, and then you could have played puts right there. That one worked out good as well. Another one to play was SIGA. This one was really good into open. We had a very nice scalp opportunity right here. I was long a little bit because I saw the news in pre-market and I saw this pop. Once we saw this dip, I was long around like 6k shares. Just rode it up to here, and then I exited. Overall, this was a pretty solid trade. I'm looking at the larger time frame. We could have played this on the dips right here, for example, for this pre-market resistance, right? So you see resistance right here, and then you can see a bounce on this same resistance line multiple times. So one time nice scalp, one time nice long. Once we broke that, could have been a nice short opportunity. So that is how I secured $30,000 today. If you guys want more videos like this, make sure to drop it in the comments and drop a like on the video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.